So with the winter fast approaching, I'm lining up some kits to keep me busy here in the workshop. Make sure I get the heating on as well. The Tamiya Grasshopper, I can remember this looking back at me from the model shop windows back in the mid-80s. The cost at the time, plus the required transmitter, etc., was just too much for somebody in their late teens. Now, 40 years later, I've got my hands on one, and we'll be putting that together. Two small balsa glider kits. The Bridi Tercel grenade launch glider, which is about 127 centimeters wingspan, and that's 2-channel on rudder and elevator. I think this kit was released about 40 years ago, and it's yeah, looks complete, so looking forward to building that one. Apparently this was purchased from America, from the guy I got it from. This is a DPR rare bird glider, sort of a free flight glider, but can be converted to 2 channels, so I'll be doing that. Again, unused, unstarted. Hoping all the parts are there. Some of the parts have fallen out, the formers, etc., but everything seems to be there, and I'm sure if it isn't anything there I don't find in the 2 models, I can just cut out a balsa. In this bag, the tow line and lead shot for the nose if you need it as well. I will be making a bungee up for these 2 small gliders as well. Should be ideal. I could always go to putting a power pod on as well. See how we go anyway. And hopefully get a couple of dry days through the winter to try them out. And a Cessna 185 kit. This is a 4-channel trainer type. Sort of plastic fuselage and foam wings, etc. So don't forget to subscribe, ready for when these videos start coming out. And I'll see you soon.